Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert Google Docs or any Google Docs document into a Microsoft Word document. Now I'm gonna simply use one of those document that is here, and the reason is I'm gonna show you that it can work for whichever document you have, whether it's something you created or it's from a template that you can find within the Google Docs. Here you can simply use the steps to convert that document. So I'm gonna choose this brochure here, right? And as you can see, I'm gonna load this document here, and this is a Google Docs, right? This is a Google Docs, and you can easily go ahead and convert this Google Docs document into a Word file. So to do that, simply click the file on the upper left hand side, and you want to go down to where it says download. Once you hover over that, you have a bunch of different options here. And the first one in the list, guys, you can see it says Microsoft Word Docs. So you click on that, it will download in a second, and you'll have that Microsoft Word document. And as you can see here, it's already showing that it's a Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on this. This will store in the location where you have it. So you can click show folder. And for me, this is currently being stored in my downloads folder. So if you have it set for your downloads folder or wherever you have it stored, you'll be able to find that document. But you can click on it and open it directly. So I'm going to open it here. And as you can see, this is my Word document. So, you know, the reason why you're seeing my Word document looking like this is because I have it changed to dark. But if I click on edit, you will see that I have this Word document here, very nice and easy. You can see that my Microsoft Word is currently showing dark. It's because I'm using a dark theme, right? And I'm going to show you as a bonus tip how to do that. If you want to learn more how to change and style up your Microsoft Word application here, you can check out my channel and you can see where you can find videos how to do that. But to do this is pretty easy. So click on the file here, and then you want to go down to the bottom where you have options, and you will have all of these options. Now under general, if you scroll down, you will see the option that says themes. Right now, the reason why mine is looking like this is because I am using the system settings here. So I'm using the theme coming from my computer, and I'm currently using a dark theme. So if I want to change this, I can change this to color. And if I click OK, you will see that it's now looking nice and pretty. But I want to use mine in the dark theme, so that's why I have it like that. But guys, there you have it, guys. There you have it, nice and easy, how to convert a Google Docs document into a Microsoft Word document. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.